There are many types of hand gestures or Yoga Hasta Mudra, and they all have different health benefits. The Yoni Mudra has got special importance in Yoga Hasta Mudra. Although it has different importance in Tantra Shastra, here this mudra is considered as the best for life internalized. Practicing the Yoni Mudra daily 3 times for 5 minutes is beneficial in providing inner peace to the body of people of all ages, due to which stress, anxiety, depression, problems of sleeplessness, negative thoughts, irritability, etc. goes away. The word yoni, meaning womb, while mudra refers to a hand posture. In Sanatan Dharma, it is also a representative of the female deity Shakti, the feminine power. The word yoni also signifies ultimate Brahma or Brahma-Yoni. The Yoni Mudra gives rise to the female creative power of the womb. Hence, the Yoni Mudra gives power like goddess Shakti. Since pranic energy is believed to exist in the hands, this position is said to seal energy and stimulate the nerves. Interestingly, it is also believed that the Yoni Mudra can destroy sins. Mool Bandh Kriya is also practiced with this Yoni Hasta Mudra yoga. In Kundalini Yoga, Yoni Mudra with root lock, Mool Bandh, is performed to awaken the Kundalini Shakti. Morning is the ideal time to do any yoga or mudra. In the morning, at this time, during the daytime, our brain is at its best. So, you're more likely to be able to concentrate easily. Therefore, you should practice this mudra from 4 am to 6 am to get the most effective outcomes. The Yoni Mudra calms the mind and body and also gives the power to hear the inner sound. This is a meditative mudra performed by holding a certain hand and body posture to achieve the calmness of mind. For a woman, this kind of yoga posture is extremely helpful in dealing with everyday stress. Yoni Mudra is an important hand gesture of yoga. It helps to overcome problems related to female reproductive organs. It is said that this yoga position helps to achieve the same tranquility of mind that an unborn child feels when it is inside the womb. Some practitioners also believed that this mudra helps to improve fertility and also health for a woman. Yoni Hasta Mudra looks like a uterus. Just as the child lives in the womb and does not have much contact with the outside world, similarly in this posture also, we have to internalize our contact with the outside world. To understand the shape of this mudra, the shape that will be formed by joining the index finger and the thumb looks like this. How to do Yoni Mudra? To gain the maximum benefits of the Yoni Hasta Mudra, start by sitting in a comfortable meditative posture such as Sukhasana or Padmasana. Whichever posture you find comfortable while sitting is fine. Keep your spinal health in check. Keep your neck and spine comfortably erect. Rest both of your palms comfortably on your knee. Gently close your eyes. Now, slowly bring your hands close to the navel and join your palms. It should seem like an upside down Namaste Mudra, as shown in this picture. Do not firmly press your finger against each other. They should be slightly touching each other and not putting excessive pressure. Observe the dark space behind your eyes. Breathe deeper and longer. With every passing breath, make your breathing even deeper. Do not decrease or increase the speed of breath from your side. Removing all thoughts from the mind has to focus the mind only on Om. Perform this pose for 15 minutes at a stretch every day or for 5 minutes 3 times a day. Benefits of the Yoni Hasta Mudra. The Yoni Hasta Mudra can help to regulate imbalances caused by the 5 elements. It removes the darkness which has surrounded you in your life and brings you in a positive light. It makes both men and women more fertile. If a couple or someone is facing any issues with fertility, they should consider practicing this mudra to alleviate such problems. It increases the capacity to channelize the flow of pran in our entire body. It also helps those women going through menopause as it helps to regulate the imbalances caused by the hormones.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.